Math Gad.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about indirect proof by contradiction, which is a term we use in logic and in geometry. So guys, last time we learned how to prove indirectly by the contrapositive. Now we're going to be using the contradiction method in order to prove that a statement is true. So guys, the first thing we're going to be learning is actually the steps of how to indirect proof by contradiction. We have basic 3 steps. The first one is that we're going to assume that the hypothesis and the negative of the conclusion are true. When we do that, we're going to show that because the negative of the conclusion reaches a negative of the hypothesis, that means that we have reached a contradiction because we just assumed that P, or the hypothesis, was true. And after that, when we have reached a contradiction, we must say that Q was true. Okay, guys, so let's begin with an example. So the example we're going to be seeing today is basically, if today is a weekend day, it is Saturday or Sunday, okay? So remember, guys, the first step was assuming that P and not Q are true. So if we're assuming that P is true, we're assuming that it is in fact a weekend day. So if P is true, we're assuming that today is a weekend day. We're assuming that is true. And now we're also going to assume that not Q is true. So it is not Saturday or Sunday. We're going to assume that is true. Now, the second step is that we're going to show that that assumption of not Q leads to a contradiction. So how we show that? Basically, if we say that not Q is true, that means that it is not Saturday or Sunday, which would mean that it is either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, right? Because that it has to match. But now that we know that it is either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and we just said that P was also true, we said that today was a weekend day. But if it is one of the days of the week, then it is not a weekend day, right? So that means that we have reached a contradiction because they cannot both be true, right? It cannot be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday and still be a weekend day, right? So because we have reached a contradiction, we have to conclude that Q is true. So we have to conclude that it is Saturday or Sunday. We have to conclude that this was true after all and that not Q is false. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you copy and understand each and every single one of the steps so that you can actually try doing the indirect proof by contradiction on your own. So see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!